Good morning, everybody, and happy holidays from Buddy at Bert's Garage. I'm going to give you a little walk through where we stand and how much better the car is this year than last year. We've come a long ways, and it looks pretty decent. So bear with me. I'm going to flip this around and show you. Maybe I won't. So we got it running really good, pretty smooth, considering we haven't driven it yet. Got the interior done, got the radio in. Radio's all in, and interior looks good. A couple places, like I said, that I'm working on the body. I don't know, I either painted over something. It was a really nasty little mark there, so I'm going to probably do a light coat on everything right when I finish, when I get ready to do the hood. So you got to adjust the hood back a little bit so that it lines up with the front of this, and then I can put the new grill back in. But you know, progress is amazing. I appreciate you sticking with me this past year, and we'll have the hard top on it. I really didn't have time to mess with it during the holidays a whole lot, but I've got everything and ready to put the glass back in the top, and then we'll get the hard top on it. Most everything on the interior is pretty much done, but just wanted to give you a little update for the new year, and wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year, and be safe on the road. Take care, everybody. Thanks.